Sitting on the side of a highway with a shredded tire and a mangled wheel, well, is the ultimate vacation killer. It turns a relaxing road trip into a high-stakes emergency in seconds. Most of us just hope for the best when we pull out of the driveway. But hope is a terrible strategy for a 12,000-pound vehicle. That is where these modern monitoring systems come into play. I've been looking at a specific setup from a major equipment manufacturer. It aims to solve the biggest headache of towing. That headache is the cluttered dashboard. Most of these systems force you to mount yet another tiny screen to your windshield with a suction cup that eventually fails. This one does things differently. It pushes your tire data directly into the display you already use. It shows up right there in the software you use for navigation and music. No extra wires. No extra gadgets blocking your view of the road. It tracks pressure and temperature in real time. It catches problems before they become disasters. One feature that really stands out is the relative temperature alert. Most sensors just tell you when a tire is hot. This one compares all the tires against each other. If one tire is running significantly hotter than the rest, it flags a warning. That could mean your brakes are dragging. It could mean a wheel bearing is about to fail. That is information you would never get from a standard pressure gauge. You would never feel that heat through the steering wheel until it was too late. Long-term testing shows the accuracy is incredible. It stays within 1 or 2 pounds of a high-end manual gauge. That is the kind of precision you need when you are hauling a heavy load. The batteries in the sensors are surprisingly durable too. They can last through multiple seasons of travel without needing a swap. However, it is not all sunshine and perfect readings. The sensors screw onto the outside of your valve stems. This means every time you need to top off the air, you have to unscrew the sensor first. It sounds like a small thing, but when you are at a cramped gas station trying to reach the inner dual wheels, it becomes a genuine chore. It is a trade-off for the easy installation. You do not have to take your tires to a shop to get these installed. You just twist them on and go. Some users with very long trailers have reported connection drops. The signal has to travel from the back of the trailer all the way to the truck cab. If you have a massive fifth wheel, you might need a signal booster to keep things stable. That is an extra cost to consider. If you are someone who hates clutter and loves data, this system makes a lot of sense. It scales well if you are towing a smaller car behind your motorhome. It keeps your cockpit clean and your focus on the road. You can find cheaper options that use a separate monitor, but those cheaper units do not give you that seamless integration. Safety is about knowing what is happening under your rig at all times. This system provides that peace of mind without making your truck look like a flight deck. It turns your existing screen into a command center for your tires. That kind of reliability is worth its weight in gold when you are miles from the nearest service station. It is about catching the small heat spikes before they turn into a roadside fire. It is about knowing your pressure is stable while you climb a mountain pass. Every traveler knows the anxiety of a mysterious vibration or a strange sound. This tech removes the guesswork from the equation. It is an investment in your safety and your sanity. If you want to keep your dash clean and your tires healthy, this is a top-tier choice for the modern traveler. You get the full picture without the extra clutter. It is smart. It is accurate. It is ready for the long haul.